Alright, so I'm about to show you the drip line system I just installed and picked up from Walmart for $30.03. It's buried and split. I need to fix that, or I just wanted to test it out, but it's split and buried at all these junctures. So you go all the way down, except for the tomatoes. But buried all the way down. And the cool part, super simple to do, it's already hooked up to this sprinkler system. Buried, buried, buried through the fence here. And out to the corn and zucchini. So, wish me luck.